In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Confluence table of contents. This is a crucial skill for anyone looking to effectively manage and navigate their content within Confluence. Let's dive right in. To begin, we'll start from your Confluence homepage. This is essentially your main dashboard in Confluence, the place where all your activities begin. If you're unfamiliar, the homepage generally contains widgets that offer shortcuts to recently visited pages, your spaces, and other critical areas of your work environment. It's your primary hub in Confluence. Once on the homepage, you need to choose your space. In Confluence, spaces are the topmost content hierarchy. They help you organize your pages, blogs, and other Confluence objects around specific projects, teams, or topics. Think of it as a virtual workspace dedicated to a particular subject or team. Next, within the chosen space, select your page. Pages in Confluence function like regular documents. They're what carry the actual content, like text, tables, and diagrams. Finding the correct page to edit is pivotal, as this is where we'll make changes. Now, we're moving into the core task, editing. Look for the Edit button on the page you've selected. Once located, click on it to enter the editing mode. This is where you can make modifications to the content of your page. Look for the table of contents in your document and click on it when you spot it. Generally, the table of contents is a macro in Confluence used to create a list of links to your content's headings. It's an excellent feature for improving the navigation and structure of extensive documents. By clicking on it, you're taking a step towards customizing how your document organizes information. After the table of contents is selected, look for the Edit button yet again. Click on it to begin personalizing how your table of contents appears and functions. Once you're in the settings, you have two display options, Basic or Advanced. The Basic setting is straightforward and ideal for simple documents with minimal structuring. However, if your document is detailed and requires intricate structuring, the Advanced option is perfect, providing more control over how headings are shown. Furthermore, you can modify the bullet style. This option allows for visual adjustments, enabling you to switch between different types of bullet points to match your document's aesthetic or style preferences. Lastly, you have the flexibility to include specific heading levels in your table of contents. This feature is crucial when you only want to display certain levels of information, helping streamline the document and enhance readability. And there you have it, a complete guide on editing the table of contents in Confluence. By following these steps, you can enhance your document's navigation, making it more accessible for yourself and your team. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing!